So it's packed full of hard mud. Welcome to the Hillbilly RV channel. Today we are to Tamarack again. Prove to you I'm at the Tamarack. Working on a suburban furnace day. Gentleman says he's used a furnace before, was fine, but now like he turns the thermostat on to heat and he never even hears the fan come on. It kicks a fuse, so blows a fuse in the 15 amp fuse in the breaker panel. So we are going to, first thing we're going to do is put a 15 amp breaker in there so we're not just chucking fuses at it. I'm gonna get this cover off. This suburban furnace has the outdoor cover, and we'll get that cover off, have us a look-see around, and then we'll try it. Just go in there and look first. Just do a good visual inspection, see if we see anything. So let me get y'all angled down and let's get started. They all should have outside covers on them. Well, let's just, I'm gonna just reach in here and spin the fan. She's locked up. Solid. There's moving. Got something over here. I bet we got a bee's nest. The combustion fan's over here. The blower wheel's over here. Move y'all a little closer. Hopefully y'all could hear that just now. I can spin it, but you can tell it's rubbing on something. Pull that cover off real quick and see what's in that combustion wheel. Let me go get a #1 Phillips screwdriver. Pop it off real quick. Make it quick and easy. Yeah, let's see here. Just probably about 6 or 8 screws here. I think a #2 would fit that better. Yeah, #2 fits that a lot better. Oh, I always think those are #1 screws. Those 3, we got one down here. Should have brought a magnet. Well, it was more screws than I thought they was. Okay, there's all the screws. Now let's pop this cover off here. See what we see. Aha. Mud daubers. That's what we call them. I don't know what y'all might call them where you're from. But they build them nest out of mud. And so it's packed full of hard mud. And I'm looking around in there, I don't see anything else. It was all in this outer cover right here. I bet she works better now. Yeah, sounds better. I'm spinning the fan. Let me get these. Let me get all them screws back in there. We'll just go ahead and put a fuse in it because I think it'll be fine, and we'll fire this thing up and see how she runs. All right, got all the screws back in it. Just stuck the door on it. I'm gonna have the customer turn it on and see what happens. You can go ahead and cut it on. Got a fan, blowed some dust out. I bet she fires right up. There's one try. There we go. Yeah. We're warm now. Woohoo! More heat out here than it is inside. Well, all right. I love it when a plan comes together and a job goes easy. Just mud daubers. Do y'all have a different name for those things? Do y'all see them in your part of the country? Weigh in, let us know. I don't really understand them. I have broke those nests apart and it'd be full of spiders. But as far as I know, a mud dauber is a bee. It looks sort of like a wasp. Only a lot of times they're got a little more yellow on them, and they kind of got a funny looking tail, but I don't know. But that's what it was. It's a big old mud dauber's nest. It's all over the parking lot here, but we got her cleaned out. We got the furnace going. So that being said, y'all get your mud daubers cleaned up, get your furnace going, leave me a comment, a criticism, a concern. Probably not gonna go fix another one today, but y'all have a fantastic day.